Hi viewers, welcome to Sandhya's professional English classes. How are you? Very glad to see you all. This video is continuation for my last video, parts of speech. In that video, we discussed noun and adjective, right? In this video, we are going to know what a pronoun is and what a verb is. Let us jump into the topic without making any delay. As I told you already, all parts of speech are just words. There are 8. We use them while speaking or writing. Now, we are going to know another part of speech, that is pronoun. What is it? It is a word which can be used in the place of a noun. Here we will revise the definition of noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, thing, animal, idea or quality of mind. Right? Now, let us see the first example. The Ganges is a holy river. In this sentence, we are talking about a river called Ganges. So, it is the name of that particular river. So, it is a noun. Now, it is in a pious place called Varanasi. What is in a pious place called Varanasi? The same Ganges river. But we are not using the same noun here also. We are using some other word in the place of that noun. What is that pronoun we use here? It. So it is a pronoun. Okay. What the definition says? Instead of a noun, we can use some other word. That some other word is called pronoun. Clear? So here it is a pronoun. I want to say something more about this it pronoun. It is a pronoun. Remember this point. It is a pronoun. It can be used for lifeless things, for small children and for animals. Okay. Let us go to next example. Students are studying rigorously as they have annual exams next week. In the beginning of the sentence, we are talking about students. It is a noun. Okay. So, more than one means plural. So, it's a plural noun. Why are they studying rigorously? Because we are telling some reason. They have annual exams next week. Okay, who have annual exams next week? Same students, but we are not using that noun. In the place of that noun, we are using some word that is they. It's a pronoun. It is plural pronoun. Got it? Next. My uncle is coming to our house this Sunday. Okay, one person is coming to our house this Sunday. Who is that person? We call him uncle. So, naming words are nouns. Okay, uncle is a noun. He is very excited to see us after a long time. Okay, the same person is very excited. So, in the place of uncle, we are using a pronoun called he. Next. Meena is an intelligent and hardworking girl. Naturally, she tops the class. So, in the first sentence, we are talking about Meena and her qualities. Okay, Meena is the name of a person. It is a noun. Okay, because of that quality, those qualities, she tops the class. Who tops the class? That Meena. So, instead of that Meena noun, we are using a pronoun called she. Okay, next one. The crow is thirsty. It is searching for water. Okay, as I told you, it pronoun can be used for lifeless things, for small children and for animals. Here crow is a bird. Okay, so crow is the name of a bird. So it's a noun. We are using the pronoun it for this. Okay, next one. The baby is crying for its mother. Okay, who is crying for its mother? Baby. It is a noun. And for whose mother? Its mother. So it is also a pronoun. But here you may get doubt. It's. What is its? Its is a possessive pronoun. You will come to know very clearly when I pick up the topic kinds of pronouns. Got it? So here you consider that it is also a pronoun. Next, Raju got the praise. He is really a deserving candidate. Raju is the name of a person. It is a noun. In the place of that noun, second time we are using a pronoun he. Got it? Now, another topic, verb. Remember, all of you, this verb is very, very important. Okay, if you know verb very clearly and its verb forms, you can learn any other topic, okay, in grammar. Now, verb. What is it? It is a word used to express action or else condition or else existence. Okay, in simple language we can say action words or doing words are called verbs. Okay, let us work on it with examples. Look at the first sentence. She slept on my bed. Okay, the highlighted word is slept. What did she do on my bed? Slept. She slept on my bed. It is an action. No, sleeping is an action. Every day we do many actions as soon as we get up. Get up itself is an action actually. Okay, so she slept on my bed. So slept is a verb. Okay, we completed the given task. Completed is the verb here, action word. What is this? It is also an action. Okay, I am happy to see you. Here the highlighted word is am. It shows the condition of my mind. Condition. So am is a verb. It is used to express our condition. What is my condition? I am happy. Next, her health was not well. What is this verse? It is also expresses condition, but past verb. I don't want to pick up all this present verb, past verb and all to confuse you. When we are going deep into that verb concept, you will definitely come to know all this, don't worry. Next, there are no students in the classroom. What is the word highlighted here? Are. So this is a verb expressing existence. There are no students in the classroom. Next, my mom made a cake. The highlighted word is made. It is an action word. It is expressing her action. Made. Made is a verb. Okay, everyone is present in the hall. What is the highlighted word here? Is. It expresses existence. Okay, everyone is present in the hall. Is a verb here. Next, Raju is jumping with joy. What is the verb in this sentence? Is jumping. Okay. You will get clarity about this verb very clearly in that video. Okay, here just I want to say is a helping verb, jumping is a main verb. So whenever you are asked to say verb in a particular sentence, if there is a helping verb, don't leave that. Okay, helping verb helps the main verb and gives you complete meaning. That's why you should not leave helping verb while identifying verb in any sentence. Okay, here Raju is jumping with joy. What is the verb? Is jumping. Generally students say jumping. They leave that helping verb. Don't do that. Okay, another example. They wrote the test well. The highlighted word here is wrote. What is this? It is an action word. It indicates, it expresses their action. What action did they do? They wrote the test well. How? How they wrote the test well? Well. Okay. Here the verb is wrote. The monkey ate a banana. Highlighted word is ate. It also expresses monkey's action. Next. Where is he? What is the highlighted word here? Is. This word expresses his existence. We are searching for him. So is is a verb in this sentence. The baby fell down from the bed. Okay, fell. Fell word is highlighted. It is of course a verb. And what a verb does? It expresses action or condition or existence. What is this verb expressing? It is expressing the baby's condition. Okay, so fell is verb in this sentence. Now it is time to assess yourself. I hope you all enjoyed the video today. Here the instruction is fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. I am going to read the sentences. Shall I do? Yeah, look at it. Radha is searching for her bag. Full stop. Another sentence. Dash asked her mom to help her. You fill up the blank with a suitable pronoun. Next, all my relatives came to our house. Dash are sitting in the hall. All my relatives came to our house. Dash are sitting in the hall. Next one. I met all my classmates. Dash all were very happy. I met all my classmates. Dash all were very happy. Next one. Himanshu is afraid of showing his report card to his father as Dash got less marks in mathematics. I am going to read the sentence again. Himanshu is afraid of showing his report card to his father as Dash got less marks in mathematics. Shall I read next one? Bahubali hit the big screen. Dash was directed by S.S. Rajamouli. Bahubali hit the big screen. Dash was directed by S.S. Rajamouli. Before going to next assessment, we shall know the answers for this. Shall we? Let us go back. What is the first sentence? Radha is searching for her bag. Dash asked her mom. Dash asked her mom to help her. Who asked? She. What is this? She indicates Radha. First answer is she. Next one. All my relatives came to our house. They are sitting in the hall. They are sitting in the hall. They represents relatives. Okay, next. I met all my classmates. We all were very happy. You are including yourself also. Okay, we, not they. Okay. I met all my classmates. We all were very happy. Next one. Himanshu is afraid of showing his report card to his father as Dash got less marks in mathematics. Who got? Himanshu or his father? Himanshu only. So, as he got less marks in mathematics. Next one. Bahubali hit the big screen. Dash was directed by S.S. Rajamouli. We are talking about that movie. So, we can use it pronoun here. Next exercise. Underline the verb in the following sentences. What is verb? Action words are called verbs. Okay. Simple definition. Next. First one. She offered me a piece of cake. She offered me a piece of cake. Pick up the verb. Underline the verb, please. Next one. It is hanging in the mid-air. It is hanging in the mid-air. Next one. Tanvi drew a picture. Tanvi drew a picture. They painted the house green. They painted the house green. I am making chapatis. I am making chapatis. Next one. There was a tug of war between the two teams. There was a tug of war between the two teams. Next one. She, as usual, stood first in the class. She, as usual, stood first in the class. Yes. I think you all have finished writing answers. You check your answers, please. I am going to reveal that. Yes? Shall I reveal? I need to go back. What is the instruction for this exercise? You need to underline the verb. Okay. She offered me a piece of cake. What is her action? Offering. She offered me. Offered is the verb. Next, it is hanging in the mid-air. What is the verb? Don't say like my students hanging simply. Is hanging. Is hanging is the verb here. Is helping verb. Hanging is main verb. Next one. Tanvi drew a picture. Drew. Draw, drew, drawn. Verb forms. Later you will come to know all these. They painted the house green. Verb is painted. I am making chapatis. Verb is am making. Am making. Next one. There was a tug of war between the two teams. What is the verb? Was. Was. It's a verb expressing existence. Okay, next. She, as usual, stood first in the class. What is the verb here? Stood. Stood. What is this verb expressing? Condition. Yes. Look at the answers if you want clarity. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video and for your support also. Please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Please comment. I am not getting comments. Please do that. Thank you.